Y'all see me pull up in this wig, you best believe I'm about my business. Nah, let me change that. My business. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if I can get this hair out of my face and off of my lip gloss. So I'm going to be showing you one wig, 3 colors. This is one of them. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. All right, so for the first style, I have Stevie, which is the wig that I'm reviewing today. And I have all 3 of these colors. I have all 3 of these. No, I think that's the auburn one. But I have 3 colors. And then the first color is DRFF2/2730. So Stevie is like a medium long length wig. And it is a part of the Outre lace front collection. I do believe I paid $90 for all 3. This wig is $29, which is really inexpensive for the quality and the style of these wigs. I have already been wearing the auburn version of this wig, which I've probably already seen in the beginning clip. But yeah, so that's the one I've already been wearing, and I love it. I get compliments on it every day, and everybody's like, I just love this color. It's so natural, it's so pretty, and I'm like, thanks. I didn't even do it myself. I literally just bought it and put it on, and everybody loves it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the wig. All right, y'all, so this is the wig. Oh my God, this color is gorgeous. This is the wig straight out the pack. So it has some money pieces in the front, and a nice natural gradient ombre in the back. So I'm assuming that the 30 is the front, and then the 27 is in the back with like a few highlights and whatnot in the back. The wig does have adjustable straps in the back, and as well as 3 combs, so 2 on the side and then 1 in the nape area. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off this bad boy and put it on. Okay, y'all, she is bad. Oh my God, like Sierra bad. Y'all, I don't know what to do with myself. Like, honey, y'all see me pull up in this wig, you best believe I'm about my business. Nah, let me change that. My business. Cause this bad boy, oh my God. Honestly, I don't even know what to do with myself because this wig is so bomb. Like, this is for real beautiful. Like, I didn't think a wig could be more gorgeous than this. Like, these waves, the curls are perfect. Also, by the way, I think I would honestly say that this wig is like a 20-inch, maybe 20. This is a 20-inch, maybe like 22. I'm gonna give y'all a 360 view since this is the first wig that we have tried on. And I didn't, y'all, I haven't even put any freaking powder in my part, which I probably will in a second, but I haven't put any powder in my part, and I haven't put any powder on my lace. I literally just, like, y'all, this is a put the wig on and go. So this is a back view. I would say this is like 130 slash, I wouldn't even say 130. This is like a 150 density with this curl. So this is the side view. And then this is the other side. Like, this is like a perfect ombre. Y'all would have thought I went to the salon and got this done. Like, y'all, you can't tell me nothing. I kind of want to brush it a little bit. So the luster is kind of like a very light yaki. It is definitely very, very silky. Like, the hair feels extremely soft. I am getting very mild shedding. I got one hair that just came out, and I think that came from when I cut the lace. Okay, there's another strand, and there's another strand. So I'm getting very mild shedding. I will say, from wearing the other one so much, it has started getting a little tangled in the nape area. It's not extremely bad, but it is more than I would want. So, you know, with the synthetic wigs, make sure you take care of them and don't be wearing them religiously, because it's a synthetic wig. You're gonna have to buy another one and replace it real soon, within like a month, if you're wearing it regularly. I mean, for $30 a month ain't honestly bad for this color. And you know, you'll switch it up. But this is, oh, you can't tell me nothing. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not hearing it. What was that? What'd you say? Oh, that's what I thought, because I didn't hear nothing either. That's how I'm feeling in this wig. Like, y'all, this color is everything. And I can't even wait to try on the next one, because honestly, that blonde is even brighter, and I'm afraid of what I might do. Like, I need to go out. I need to go out somewhere. I gotta go out. So I'm gonna put a little bit of powder in my part to kind of make this a little bit more natural. Like, that's all I need, baby girl. Who am I? Who is she? Who is she? Do you know her? Because y'all gotta give me a name for this wig, because Stevie ain't cutting it. Like, she's better than Stevie. She deserves a better name. Give this baddie a new name. Like, truly, she needs a new name, because she's beautiful. I gotta give my auburn one a little bit more wear, and then we're gonna switch it up real soon, real soon, because honey, she's beautiful. It definitely reminds me of a wig that I used to have. I can't remember the name of it, but I definitely remember the color. It was FF Hot Choco was the unit, and it was definitely a little bit darker toned and a little bit more of a ashier blonde, I would say. It had a slight brown blonde, and I'll link that video too if y'all like the money piece deal. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the next wig. Oh, also, before I go, I meant to tell y'all, she's definitely slightly on the smaller side, but I'm most certain it's big head friendly. It's just, the only thing is, these little flabs don't even come all the way to my ear. They come like right, it stops right here, and my, like, typically it'll come a little bit higher, or it might just be the other one that I had, but like it stops right here, which is a little high. because my sideburns is all the way out. But it's okay because you can like cover it like that and make it a, oh, yo. Yeah, this is cute. But yeah, so I would say she's big head friendly. You just won't have it all the way down to your ear like it is on me because I have a smaller head. And I didn't even adjust the straps, so. Okay. She's beautiful. Oh, okay, yeah, she's really pretty. Oh my God. Okay, so y'all, what do you think of her? The color of this is DRFF4/champagne. And she's definitely the one on the model in the front. You can see, you can't see. So yeah, this is the one the model has on. And I don't honestly ever think that they look like they look on, but this is like a beigey blonde. And I am obsessed with her. This is definitely gonna be my spring wig. You couldn't tell me shit in the last one, but you definitely can't tell me nothing in this one. Like, she deserves to be stared at from afar. This is the vibe that this wig is giving me. Oh yeah. These natural blondes is everything, yo. Like, I'm obsessed. I feel like somebody's mom, but a cool mom. Not like these regular moms. Okay, and this is DR2 Auburn, and this is the one that I have been wearing already. I'm just got hair everywhere, and I love her because she's darker but a little bit lighter, and I've been wanting to do like a chocolatey, or if that's not even a word, a more chocolate colored wig. But this is more of like a reddish brown, but it's still lighter. So I was like, I want to see what I look like with like more of like a true brown color. And I like this one. I get the compliments literally every day when I wear this unit, because it's just really pretty. Now, because I've been wearing it regularly, it kind of smells like outside, which is the only downfall to wearing synthetic wigs. So I'm probably gonna spray it with dry shampoo, just to kind of get the smell out. But I love this unit. Like, Stevie is really, really pretty, and she's perfect for every day. And once it gets ratty, oh my god, I have a hair and I can't find it. All right, once it starts to get ratty towards the ends, I'm gonna cut it like medium, like top boob length, because I've always wanted a wig that's like not a long bob, but I mean, I guess you would consider it something of that nature, because it's definitely shorter. It's just not really short because it comes to my boobs. All of them do. So, and I feel like this is out of all of the other ones, this is the more looser one. I don't know why. I feel like this one's looser, but I think it might just be the color is darker. But yeah, I love this unit, and for $30, like, for $30 times 3, you can be 3 different bitches. Like, I mean, why not? But yeah, if y'all have any other questions or concerns or comments, don't forget to leave them down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I mean, you've watched this entire video, so I'm sure you've made it this far, so go ahead and subscribe. And tune into any of my other videos too, because you might like some of those as well. Also, I didn't mention before that this wig is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So you can put heat on this unit. I will not be putting heat on this unit because I love the curls so much. That is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.